Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your laptop actually accepts HDMI input. Most laptops only output, so this step matters. If your laptop lacks HDMI in, get an HDMI capture device or USB video adapter. Once done, plug the Xbox 360 HDMI cable into the console and the capture device into your laptop's USB or HDMI in port. Make sure the Xbox power brick is connected and the controller is nearby. This sets you up to receive the console signal correctly. Now connect the HDMI cable from the Xbox 360 to the capture device or the laptop's HDMI in. If using a capture device, install any drivers and launch your capture or streaming software, such as OBS or the device's app. In the software, add a video capture source and select the device. Set the input resolution to match the Xbox output, typically 720p or 1080p. Make sure audio capture is enabled, so you hear games sound through the laptop or speakers. Power on the Xbox 360 and sign into your profile. The capture software should now show the console's display. Once visible, adjust scaling and full screen preview so gameplay fills your screen, and tweak buffering or latency options for responsiveness. Make sure audio routing goes to your speakers or headset. If you do not see a signal, stop and check cables, try different USB ports, restart the capture software, and test the capture device on another computer. That single troubleshooting step often isolates the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.